Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking. Welcome back to my channel, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. Advanced Valentine's Day, Happy Valentine's Day or Heart's Day sa inyo pong lahat. That's why for today, I will share a simple cake na pwede nyo pong gawin at home para ibigay or serve as gift to your loved ones. And ito ay ang aking Ube Graham Cake with, of course, nuts. And may papuso pa ako kasi nga Valentine's Day treat. Yan. So, kung gusto niyo pong malaman how I prepare this simple cake, my Ube Graham Cake, please watch this. So, first step, gagawa tayo ng fruity gelatin. Since ang gagawin nating Ube Graham Cake is for Valentine's, kaya itong gagawin nating gelatin ay korteng puso. Ayan guys, meron akong pang mold na heart. So ito yung gagawin natin parang decoration. Serve as Valentine's cake, okay? So, of course, meron tayong fruit cocktail, 1 cup water, and meron tayong 1/8 cup brown sugar, and of course, meron tayong Mr Gulaman na strawberry flavor. Okay? Put 1 cup water, and then half of the Mr Gulaman. Or 1/4. Then, put sugar. So, here's my ingredients sa ating Ube Graham Cake, and makikita din ang buong sangkap on the description box below. Okay, so let's prepare our base. So, put 3/4 pack of crushed graham. So, yung matira, isama na lang natin sa ating layer. And then butter. Then, let's put sa ating pan. Okay, next, let's prepare our mixture, ang ating combination ng condensed milk and Nestle cream. Let's set aside this one, okay? So, make sure guys na chilled ang inyong all-purpose cream. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko 3 packs. Then, let's mix. Then, let's put the condensed milk. 1/4 can of condensed milk lang to guys. Pero, depende kung gusto niyo ng medyo matamis, you can add more than 1/4, okay? Sa ating 3 packs of Nestle. Okay guys, so dikdikin natin ang ating graham kasi nga ang aking pan or the molder is round, okay? So, meron tayo ditong ziplock. So, okay na to. Huwag natin ganang durugin, okay? So, let's prepare our layer of the cake. Okay na. So, next step, Of course, let's finish our cake. So, ang ating first layer ay ang ating graham, and then the second is our mixture of all-purpose flour and condensed milk, and then, of course, ang ating ube halaya. So, may natira pa po kasi ako sa aking ube halaya. That's why naisip kong gawin for our Valentine's treat is Ube Graham Cake. Okay? Next layer, ang ating ube halaya. Sarap. Okay guys, so next to put ang ating crushed graham. Okay guys, so chill natin for 3 to 4 hours together with our hard gelatin. And then after that, let's decorate and taste. After a few hours, ayan, chilled na siya. So, let's finalize and decor our simple cake, okay? So, saan ko kaya pwedeng ilagay ito? Center ko ba or side? Let's find it. Ayan, so lagay na natin. Okay. So, I decided to put our hard gelatin sa side. Okay? Beautiful. Then, next is, lagyan natin siya ng dinikdik na almonds and walnuts sa gilid-gilid. Ayan. Here's my finished product, my Ube Graham Cake. Yay!
Wow!
Ayan, of course, with walnuts and almonds. So, Valentine's treat for all of you guys. So, very simple to prepare and a simple cake to your loved ones. Ayan. So, meron pa akong padahon dito ng fresh ube. Kasi nga, ube. Ube cake. Ayan. Okay. So, beautiful. Simple. But beautiful kasi pinaghirapan natin. Okay? So, it's tasting time!
Tasting!
Ayan. Apa? This cake is not so sweet. Tamang-tama lang tamis niya. And then, yung combination ng graham and ube, good combination. Masarap. Parang, this is not an ordinary cake kasi talagang ube halaya. Purong ube yung nilagay natin. Kaya, panalo to. Swak sa panlasang Pinoy na cake. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. And sana po, matry nyo itong very simple cake to prepare to your loved ones this coming Valentine's Day. Okay? Valentine's treat nyo na kasi homemade is better. Okay, so thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Bye for now. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. Okay? Bye. Love you all.